Hey, this is Stuart Smith from STUARTIZM Designs. Today is Christmas Tree Day, so come along with the adventure. Monday I leave for Pennsylvania for some hot escape room action with Evil Skip. And, well, then I come home back to the Winter Wonderland. Awesome. Hey, please subscribe, hit that little button so you don't miss any more videos coming soon. Please hit the like, share, and hey, leave a comment because Lissa does most of the decorating and I watch. It's very cool. Ha ha! Let's get her done.
So you're gonna have to be ready to move when she
Okay.
gets in here.
Or the cat might jump into the van.
All right, people. This is Stuart Smith with STUARTIZM Designs. We are being strategic because we got too many cats and we got to move the car before one of them runs underneath it again. We are heading to go get our Christmas tree. Yes, sir. It is the Smith Christmas, our 12th year here at our house at Bailey, Michigan. Right, people? We're heading out? Yeah? Like Clark Griswold? Yeah?
You're not gonna get one of those sanitized, are you?
No, I got one last year. Okay, so, hey. So we're going to document this all the way from its extraction from the place and its decoration. So let's get this party started. Boo-ah! Oh, yeah. Oh, we're coming up to it. Check it out. Oh, yeah. It's only like, what, 3 miles from the house? Oh, yeah. Check it out. Look at those lonely little fellas. Probably sure they're crying. Nobody gonna pick me for Christmas. How do we get in there, Chris? Oh, yeah, here we go. Parking. Check it out. Church's quality Christmas trees. Choose and cut. Oh, exciting. We're going to acquire. They already have them cut, drilled, ready to rock. And they cut them far better than I do. Normally we have to put books underneath the stand to keep it level, but
I cut them straighter than you did.
yes, you did, honey. Thanks for pointing that out. Oh, it's so exciting. Oh, where are the Canaan furs? Oh, there they are. Hey guys, over here. Wait a minute, they're over here.
I'm recording, Dad.
Oh, yeah, they're over here, man. You gotta let Mom come and decide. This is a nice one right here. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah, that's quality.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. We got 8-foot ceilings. We should be good.
Hey, we could always get the top off.
Yes. Chris, this is a nice one too.
We're looking for our own Christmas tree.
Zach's filming over there for his YouTube channel.
Over there, his camera.
Nice and cool.
What do you think, Pumpkin?
Stores them.
That's a good one.
It's I think it's in the ground.
Well, here's a nice one over there too.
That was
Pumpkin.
fuller.
That's fuller? You like fuller? Yeah, that does
It's
seem
shorter, too, isn't
that does seem fuller.
Mom, I think they're in the pits.
It's cool. They have little PVC pipe pits where they sit there and just stand the trees up so you can look at them.
Sister, how you doing, buddy?
Nice. We'll be picking it up soon. It's pretty cool. They sit there and put this thing and wrap it all up for us. Go Mega Woman.
Careful.
Yeah, check her out. Check her out. So that's why we bring Lissa. She carries the trees.
You want to get mine too?
Yeah.
Yep. That's my little sis.
Yeah. I got the keys. I'm going to open it up for you, girlfriend. Yeah. I think my fingers just fell off. Ugh. It's only 20 degrees outside. No big deal. There you go, girlfriend. That's it. Load that bad boy. Oh, she's awesome. She's totally awesome. Oh, there she is. Ready for hot decoration action. The little top got broken. Ah, it's okay. It's all right. Oh, it's pretty. It's gonna be pretty.
The scent of pine is pleasing.
Yes. I think I got gacked, man. I got some pine crap on my hands.
It's called sap, dude.
Sap. Here you go, people. This is our Christmas tree. Thank you very much for watching, and a Merry Christmas to you all from the Smith family.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.